Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to put off procrastination and start getting things done. We have all been there. You have a task to complete but just can't seem to get started. Maybe you are afraid of failing, whatever the reason. Procrastination can be a real challenge. But good news is that there are ways to overcome procrastination and get things done. And it all starts with understanding the phrasal verb put off. So let's start. Put off means to delay doing something or to postpone it until a later time. And while it is sometimes necessary to put off tasks, too much procrastination can lead to stress, anxiety, and missed opportunities. So, how can we put off procrastination and start getting things done? Here are some tips. Number one, first make a plan, write down the task you need to complete, and set deadlines for each one. Second, eliminate distractions. Turn off your mobile or phone, close your email, and focus on the task at hand. Number third, take breaks. It's important to give your brain a rest and recharge your energy to post. And finally, reward yourself when you complete a task. Take a moment to celebrate your accomplishment. Hope you understand the concept of the phrasal verb put off. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, and comments below.